Jason and Hunter from Bright Idea Dental Repair. We have a Century Plus delivery unit that has a issue where it is leaking from the control block when the handpiece is the handpiece whip is moved forward. The symptom, we'll go ahead and demonstrate what's going on with the system on. It leaks when the whip, that little ridge there, this ridge interfaces with that little pin there, that little wire. And what's happening is whenever the doctor's pulling the handpiece forward, it is making that noise. We have troubleshot the issue to a faulty, it's a faulty bleed valve, and that is actually down here on the bottom. It's going to be this channel here, and it's the first channel, and that is the little darker bleed valve. And what that bleed valve does is that allows a certain amount of air to basically bleed all the time through this line that's going to this little valve. And so this is always under pressure, and that is holding back the diaphragm so that when you step on the foot pedal, if the whip is not pulled forward, that will result in nothing happening. And if the whip is pulled forward, this leak is the working part of the system. And when the leak is happening, it will cause that holdback air to be relieved from the diaphragm and allow things to move. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. You can go ahead and replace that valve real quick, Hunter. So we're going to replace this part right here. That's what it looks like. This is the Adec part number. It's the ADV162. That's the cartridge air bleed valve. So Hunter removed the old part. He's putting the new one in. And all we need is just a standard Allen wrench. So Hunter's putting that on there. It's got nice and tight. Now ready to test. Okay. Hear how it is leaking. It leaks there all the time. So just know that if you're troubleshooting these units and you hear a little leak from the control block, that's not necessarily a problem because it should be leaking a little bit. And then when you move that, it basically causes that that handpiece to be able to run. Okay? All good. All good, Hunter?
All good.
Sweet.